My experience of being an apprentice has been really, really good. I came straight from sixth form to do my apprenticeship. I thought the transferable skills going from sixth form to the apprenticeship was really good as well. Young people should consider apprenticeships because the apprenticeship is a nice little step in between where people sort of mother you a little bit and they make sure you're right, but they give you the independence to develop and bring out your own skills instead.
I really enjoyed today, and I've learned a lot about apprenticeships which I can use in my future career after I finish school.
I enjoyed today because we got to mix with different schools and do different sorts of activities, and I now know that apprenticeships can open up different doors to life.